This is a look 8.5 by 24 enclosed trailer. It's the Premier model, which is their top of the line trailer. Got the thicker .040 metal on the outside, walk through door on the other side, and an escape door full height on this side. It's 48 by 6.5. It's got the spread torsion axles with the aluminum alloy wheels, all screwless exterior. You got the spoiler on the back with the rear loading lights. It's got ramp over fenders on the inside here. We can do it with or without the ramp overs. You got a spare tire compartment in the floor. You got a winch mount for your winch underneath the cabinets there. Ladder to go up to the balcony where you got extra storage up there. Electrical package. Cabinets, drawers. The top drawer is the full depth drawer, and then the bottom drawer, it's about half depth, so your winch actually goes behind your bottom drawer. This has got the electrical package in it, so you got outlets on the inside, panel box there, lights on the ceiling. You got white metal aluminum walls, rubber coined floor. Pull out step on the side door. Side door is a 48-inch side door. Again, this is the Look 24-foot Premier race trailer. We can also build them with the lifts. I'll have one coming in with the lifts in about a month. Be a stacker, haul 2 cars in.